Well, 4 or 5 minutes ago, me and all my tools were out here. You can probably hear it. It's pouring rain. I just barely got this table inside in time to keep it from getting wet. Just getting it out there. So, we'll put her on hold. It's Sunday evening. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to have a beer. But it's coming along pretty good. I just got to make up my mind. I know I'm going to put a shelf in the bottom of it. I've got to make up my mind whether I'm going to just enclose the whole bottom and put cabinet doors on it. And in this shop, I have a lot of problems with spiders. And they webs all over everything, but not in the cabinet. You know, if it's in a cabinet, it stays clean. So I may, since it's going to take up the floor space anyway, I may just end up closing it in and putting cabinet doors on it. We'll see. Well, there you have it, folks. There's my new workbench / cabinet. I wanted to box this thing in, give me a little bit extra storage where I can put stuff where the spiders won't cocoon it overnight, because believe me, they get on everything that touches the floor around here. But I don't have any problems with them inside any of the cabinets, so there you go. I made the top removable so that when I get it all messed up, and I will, I can pop the screws out of it, slap a new one on it. A couple things I would have done a little bit different. What I should have done is I should have made the top about 1/8 of an inch long on every side, and that way, and let it overlap the frame just a little bit, and then used a finishing bit on the router and gone around it. It would have been a little bit neater if I'd done that. But for what it's going to be used for, it'll be fine. It's definitely heavy duty. It's not going anywhere. So anytime I need to roll it around, or if I want to take it out front here, out front of the shop, and use it out there and outside, I can use it for an outfeed table or whatever I need to do. All I got to do is step on these wheels and pick it up off the floor and roll it right out, wherever I want it. So, but it's heavy. It's I wouldn't have a bit of qualms about throwing a 440 block up on there if I needed to. That'll work.